You guys, I'm so excited to be able to share this journey with you guys. It's time that furniture starts funding teachers. So you may be asking yourself, what in the world is Lauren talking about by furniture funding teachers? Well, if you've joined our journey here on FFT after April, then maybe you don't know what furniture funding teachers is. So I'm gonna catch you up to speed real quick before we get into the fun. As you guys know, we started this journey where I was paying off my student loan debt with the profits of furniture that I flipped and sold on Facebook Marketplace. And then when I was able to achieve that goal back in April, we launched a furniture funding teachers campaign where Neiman and I set goals in the beginning of 2021 to help 5 teachers pay off their student loan debt, or we wanted to donate to some classroom expenses for those 5 teachers. So here we are today. We are ready to give away our very first $1,000 to our very first teacher winner. And so let's head into the school and surprise the socks off of her. Hi, yeah.
Hi, yeah, I just texted you. I was like, okay, perfect timing. Okay. So she's just gonna introduce you.
Okay.
They're all in there ready, so I don't know.
Oh, they're ready now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We were thinking like 8:45.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? I have to be. Let's do it.
Yes, she's gonna do her little spiel. Do you want them to wait till after you talk and then bring Lauren?
Yeah. I don't know if she knows that.
Yeah.
Tight squeeze, okay. I'm gonna set a camera.
Especially the main sheet. Okay, she's right
He
there.
has all their little blue and purple sleeves.
Got it.
Her name is Lauren Hall. She's a furniture flipping teacher, and she's going to give a presentation this morning. So if you give her your attention. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lauren, and I'm a former kindergarten teacher from Bellevue, Nebraska, and now I am actually a full-time teacher on YouTube. So I started a furniture flipping channel where now I teach people how to take old and outdated furniture and give it a new purpose and a new life and earn a little bit of extra profit. Thank you guys all for having me here today, and thanks to Nicole for helping us set this all up. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a background story first, and then we'll get to the real reason why I'm here. So, all the way back in May of 2020, when the world went crazy, as all of us teachers know, I had to pick up a hobby because I was just out of my mind with all of this extra free time, as I'm sure most of you guys were as well through this summer. So I decided to pick up furniture flipping. I began taking old and outdated furniture and fixing it up, selling it for profit. And even as the new school year began, I still found myself continuing to just love this and continue to keep this hobby in my spare time, the little that I had after school and on weekends. And then I decided to start putting those profits toward my student loan debt. We built a pretty strong community after starting our YouTube channel in November of 2020. We decided that we wanted to document some of that process. So just about 4 months after starting our YouTube journey, I was able to pay off my student loan debt of $25,000 thanks to all of our subscribers and the community that we were able to build. And our community consists of teachers, and it consists of people who flip furniture. It consists of people who just wanted to join along the journey. And then it also consists of some teachers that have also now picked up furniture flipping because they were so into my journey and they wanted to create an extra profit to put toward their student loan debt or car debt or house payments or things like that. Once I had achieved my goal, though, we wanted to be able to impact teachers in more ways. And so we decided to create a fund that is called Furniture Funding Teachers. And back in April, we had launched the campaign and we had over 100 teachers apply. And today I am so thrilled to be able to give the first of many teachers $1,000 to help them with their student loan debt or classroom expenses. And we were looking for certain qualities in these teachers. We didn't want to just, have them want to make a house pay or be able to make a house payment, or basically we were looking for selflessness in the teachers. We were looking for persistence, and we were looking for love. And the teacher that we chose as our first winner of $1,000 is Laura Allen. Laura. As I'm sure most of you guys can attest to, she puts her students first, and most of all, she puts her family first, and we're so lucky to have teachers and people like Miss Allen here. So I am going to present her with a $1,000 check to go toward her student loan debt or toward her classroom expenses. So congratulations.
I'm so surprised.
So thank you guys again all for letting me be here. I was a little bit nervous. I was thrown in a little bit earlier than I thought I was going to be, so sorry for the shakiness. But again, if you want to follow along on our journey of continuing to help other teachers, you can follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel, Furniture Flipping Teacher. We would love to have you over there. And this is the first of 5 for this year in 2021 that we are going to be donating $1,000 to. And then in the years to come, we hope to impact tons and tons more teachers like that. So thank you.